The development of the global aerospace industry has encouraged many companies to forge cross-border collaborations. One interesting example is Turkey's involvement in the development and production of aircraft based on designs from Piaggio Aerospace. This collaboration not only strengthens local industrial capabilities, but also improves production efficiency through technological integration. Each component is manufactured using high-quality materials such as aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon composites. Upon completion, these components undergo initial inspection to ensure there are no manufacturing defects. The quality standards used are very stringent because they directly relate to flight safety. The next stage is the assembly of the aircraft's main structure. The fuselage is assembled first as the basic framework. After that, the wings and tail section are assembled using high-precision joining techniques such as riveting and bonding. Piaggio uses digital tools such as laser alignment and computer-based measurement systems to ensure perfect assembly of all parts. Once the main structure is complete, the process continues with the installation of the internal systems. This includes electrical systems, fuel systems, hydraulic systems, and avionics navigation and communication instruments. This installation is carried out by highly certified technicians. Cables and pipes are neatly and organized to facilitate future maintenance. The engine is the heart of the aircraft. On Piaggio aircraft such as the P180 Avanti, the turboprop engine is mounted behind the wing rear-mounted configuration, a distinctive design feature. The engine installation process involves balance testing and integration with the fuel system and flight controls. After installation, the engine is statically tested to ensure its performance meets standards. Once all major systems are installed, the aircraft enters the finishing phase. This stage includes painting the fuselage, installing the cabin interior, installing the seats and control panels. Piaggio is known for its comfortable and luxurious cabin designs, especially for business aircraft. Therefore, attention to detail is very high at this stage. One of the most striking aspects of Piaggio aircraft is its unique aerodynamic design. Unlike conventional aircraft, the P180 Avanti uses a three-lifting surface configuration: the main wing, the forward canard, and the rear horizontal stabilizer. This design offers several advantages. First, it distributes lift more evenly, improving aerodynamic efficiency. Second, it significantly reduces air resistance drag, allowing the aircraft to reach higher speeds with lower fuel consumption. In fact, this aircraft can rival the speed of light jets despite using turboprop engines. Beyond its technical superiority, Piaggio aircraft also offer exceptional cabin comfort. The P180 Avanti's cabin is designed to be more spacious than aircraft in its class, with a height and width that provide more room for passengers to move around. The interior is equipped with ergonomic seats, modern lighting, and a sophisticated climate control system. The cabin noise level is also very low, thanks to the rear-mounted engine. This creates a more comfortable flight experience, even on medium to long-haul flights. Amid growing concern for environmental issues, fuel efficiency has become a crucial factor in the aviation industry. Piaggio aircraft offer lower fuel consumption than light jets without sacrificing performance. The aerodynamic design and efficient turboprop engines enable these aircraft to produce lower emissions, making them a more environmentally friendly and economical choice for operators. Thanks to their three-lift surface design, Piaggio aircraft boast excellent stability. This configuration allows for more precise control, especially during takeoff and landing. The aircraft is also capable of operating on relatively short runways, providing flexibility in choosing destination airports. Its high cruising speed makes it ideal for business flights that require time efficiency. Piaggio Aerospace continues to innovate to improve the performance and efficiency of its aircraft. The development of new technologies, including digital system integration and engine efficiency improvements, is a key focus for the company. Furthermore, Piaggio is also exploring the development of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) based on the same technology, demonstrating that their advancements extend beyond manned aircraft. The sophistication of Piaggio aircraft lies in their ability to combine innovative design, advanced technology, and high efficiency in a single platform. From unique aerodynamics to modern avionics systems, every aspect is designed to deliver the best possible performance. Through products like the Piaggio P180 Avanti, Piaggio Aerospace has successfully demonstrated that turboprop aircraft can compete with light jets, and even surpass them in some aspects by continuously innovating. Piaggio remains a key player in the global aerospace industry, delivering advanced, efficient, and comfortable flight solutions.